Welcome OFW! Assalamualaikum! Good evening everyone! Another throwback video. Another game is by partner. One will eat the bread and one will hold the bread using a thread and then attach it into a foot. We have all the players ready. And let the game begins. In 3, 2, 1. Paring Marlon is heading the game. It seems like he likes bread a lot. Followed by Mr. Geronimo, Mr. Ryan, and Mr. Perfecto are having a close fight. But Mr. Marlon won the duel. Mr. Geronimo surrendered halfway. But we have a winner, Mr. Marlon. Congratulations! Thank you for watching. Come to another joyful episode. I will be sharing our game that will surely makes you laugh and competitive. All you have to prepare is a towel, empty plastic bottle, water, a pail, and a basin. The mechanics is just like a relay. You will dip the towel in a pail that has a water and then you will squeeze it to the other side where the empty bottle and the basin is waiting for you. So that's the mechanics. Hope you get it, guys. And back to our game. Yes, I feel that we can win this game again. Go, go team, go, go team. Other player rocking this game. They are very serious because of course the prize, guys, it's tempting. One player to go. It's time to compare the two bottles, so whoever has the more water in the bottles wins. Sorry guys, we lose this time. Thank you for watching. Until next video guys.